Cooler Master has revealed a giant egg you can game and work inside. Very interesting. You know, I'm always curious about these things. So we've done videos on all these types of chairs that you can sit in and game in and have monitors surrounding you. I have never seen this one before.
So it's kind of like a pod more than anything.
Very poddy. It looks futuristic. It has a single monitor mounted, but you seem slightly even more enclosed than some of the stuff that I've looked at on the channel.
Yeah, very singular, like...
Almost like you could launch out into space in that thing.
Sure, yeah.
It's a similar to keyboard tray that has to come in. You have LED light on the front.
Yeah, it reclines. It has adjustable head and footrest and 2.1 surround sound.
Does it? So do they have any pictures of it recline? Oh, I like that. How the lid lifts up. That's cool. I see the LEDs on the bottom, and they're in like that kind of magenta color there.
So it can hold 49-inch monitor or 3 27-inch monitors.
Cool. Now, I don't know if like these images are making it feel this way, but this looks a little more polished than some of the stuff I've seen in the past.
Yeah.
It looks a little more ready for prime time.
Sure.
Yeah. Like, when I saw the cup holder and the remote there, kind of curious about it. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, it's just not like a heap of steel. It's
Will speaking from personal experience, having built a variety of heaps of steel.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got a little more fit and finish to it. Does it say anything about price or release?
Yeah, can you guess?
Oh, I don't know. It should be like $3,000, I guess. More? $5,000?
Dude, this
10
thing
grand?
runs 12 to 14 grand.
Yeah. Well, anyway. Yeah. They don't intend on selling a lot of them, obviously, but
it's cool.
If the finish is really crazy good, I don't know. Maybe like these game streamers or something can be in there.
Sure.
I don't know.
Have fun with it.
I don't know.
We should do an unboxing.
Oh, okay. Well, they can send it to us. I mean, definitely we'll check it out.
Oh.
Did they say the date for it, or is it already out?
Sometime in December.
Oh, okay. So it's a little ways up. Yeah. I'll definitely check it out.
All right.